my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. Throughout the year, Mother Nature brings us an abundance of seasonal produce. Right now, boss pears are in! I love this fruit and enjoy making recipes with them. Here's a clean and easy way to core the scrumptious fruit for a nice visual presentation. So my friends, let's get cooking.
This is our beautiful pear, and if the recipe calls for peeling off the skin, we'll simply use a vegetable peeler, trying to leave the stem on. It looks nicer that way. Now, if we want to make a delicious classic dessert such as poire belle Hélène or my fabulous poached pears with caramel sauce, there are two steps we have to do. The focus of these recipes is on the presentation. Therefore, the pear has to stand upright. So to make sure it doesn't fall over or looks like the fruit version of the Pisa Tower, we have to figure out the angle and slightly cut off the bottom so it sits straight. There. The next step is to remove the core. When we take the pear and look under, there's a little tiny brown dot, and this shows us exactly where to dig. So we'll take a melon baller and gently rotate it to remove the bottom and work our way inside the belly until the core is completely removed. Voila! It's that easy. Now we're ready to proceed with our recipe.
As you saw in this video, it's a nice, neat method to use when you want your pears to stand upright for a beautiful appearance. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!